What's the meaning of banquette? Banquette. Banquette.
Banquette. Banquette. Banquette can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, however, banquette typically refers to a long bench or seating area that is built into a wall, often in a restaurant or other public space. This type of seating may be used to maximize space and provide efficient use of floor space. It may also refer to a small table or counter that is used for informal meals or snacks. Banquette can also refer to a small raised platform or stage that is used for seating or performances. Overall, banquette is a versatile term that can refer to many different types of seating and furnishings.